To change the date and time settings for Pixel 10, first we need to open settings on our device. Next step is to locate System. Then we can go to the date and time settings. Here there's a few different options that you can customize, first being the automatic date and time settings. You can activate or deactivate them like that, and then when they are deactivated you can adjust your date and time manually. Just click on each and then adjust it however you like. But keep in mind that changing your date and time not to the present regional day, you will encounter some network problems. For example, some pages won't load on your browser, some apps won't work as well. So I strongly recommend to enable it. Then there's automatic time zone, and it works the same way like above, so I strongly recommend to enable it. If you decide to disable it, you can adjust your time zone manually based on a region. Then there's a use 24 hours format, so this basically allows you to switch between 12 hours format or 24 hours format for your clock on this phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.